Good day, guys. My name is Tutor ICC, and you are welcome to another episode of ICC Math Tutorials. Today, we are going to be continuing from where we stopped under indices. Under indices in our last class, we took just one example, but today we are going to be taking two additional examples. And the first question says that the first question will be service solutions to say that simplify 25 all raised to the power of minus 1 all over 2 times 27 raised to the power of 1 all over 3 plus 121 all raised to the power of minus 1 all over 2 times 625 all raised to the power of minus 1 all over 4. This is the question. And I told you guys that when you have something like this, what's the first thing you need to do? You need to quickly remove the negative sign from the indices. Now, you can see that there's a negative sign here. There's a negative sign here. There's a negative sign here. What do? You quickly remove the negative sign. How do you remove the negative sign when you have something like this? You introduce what? 1 all over. Immediately you introduce 1 all over, the negative sign will be eliminated from the index. We are going to have 1 all over 25 raised to the power of 1 all over 2 times, since there's no negative sign here, we leave it as it is, 27 all raised to the power of 1 all over 3 plus 121. Sorry, we are going to introduce 1 all over, right? 1 all over 121 all raised to the power of what? 1 all over 2 times 1 all over 625 all raised to the power of 1 all over 4. Now, we have successfully eliminated negative sign from the indices. The next thing to do is to apply the fractional indices law, because the index here is a fraction, the index here is also a fraction, the index here is a fraction, and the index here is a fraction. We apply the fractional indices law in solving them. We are going to have 1 all over, since the denominator here of the fraction is 2, it will now become what? The square root of 25 raised to the power of 1. But you know that anything raised to the power of 1 is that, we can leave it like this. We are going to have, what about this? This one now become what? The cube root of 27 all raised to the power of 1, which will still give us cube root of 27 plus 1 all over, what about this one? This one will give us what? The square root of 121 times, what about this? This one will still give us what? 1 all over, since the denominator here is 4, it will now become what? The fourth root of 625 all raised to the power of 1. But anything raised to the power of 1 is that thing. We leave it as it is. Now, without wasting much time, what is the square root of 25? We are going to have 1 all over, the square root of 25 is what? Is 5 times, what is square root of what's the cube root of 27? What we multiply itself 3 times to give us 27 is what? Is 3 plus 1 all over, what is the square root of 1 to 1? Is what? 11 times 1 all over, what is the fourth root of 6 to 5? What we multiply itself 4 times to give us 6 to 5, it is what? It is 5. We are going to have 1 all over 5 here. Now, there's an invisible over 1 here. You can see that this fraction is multiplying this fraction, and anytime a fraction is multiplying fraction, you use the numerator to multiply the numerator, and you use the denominator to multiply the denominator. We are going to have 1 times 3 will give us what? 3, or over 5 times 1 will give us what? 5, plus 1 times 1 will give us what? 1, 11 times 5 will give us what? 55. Yeah, this is a fraction, this is a fraction, and you are adding fraction. What do? You find the LCM of the denominators. You are going to have the LCM of 5 and 55 is what? 55. We are going to have 55. 55 divided by 5 will give us what? 11. 11 times 3 will give us what? 33. 33 plus, you bring this plus, you bring it here. 55 divided by 55 will give us what? Will give us 1. 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. We are going to have 33 plus 1. 33 plus 1 will give us what? 34 all over what? 55. That will give us what? The answer. Okay. Our next question is simplify 16 all over 81 all raised to the power of 1 all over 4 divide by 9 all over 16 all raised to the power of minus 1 all over 2. What's the first thing you need to do? You need to quickly eliminate the negative sign in the index. Now, this one has a negative sign. Quickly eliminate it. We are going to have solution. we are going to have 16 all over 81 all raised to the power of 1 all over 4 divided by, if we, and I told you, if what is in the bracket is a fraction, immediately you invert the fraction, the negative sign will be eliminated from the index. Now we are going to invert, we are going to have 16 all over 9 all raised to the power of what? 1 all over 2. Now we apply the fractional indices law in solving this. Now, since the denominator is 4, we are going to find the fourth root of the fraction. We are going to have what? Fourth root of 16 all over 81 all raised to the power of 1, because the numerator is what? 1. And anything raised to power 1 is that thing. We leave it like that. Divide by, what about this? This one give us what? Since the denominator is 2, we are going to have the square root of the fraction. Square root of 16 all over what? 9 all raised to the power of 1. And anything raised to power 1 is still the same thing. We leave it like this. We are going to have, what is the fourth root of 16? What we multiply itself 4 times to give us 16, it is what? It is 2. The fourth root of 16 is equal to 2 all over. What's the fourth root of 81? What we multiply itself 4 times to give us 81 is what? Is 3. We are going to have 2 all over 3 divide by what is the square root of 16? The square root of 16 is equal to 4 all over. The square root of 9 is what? Is 3. Now, when you have something like this, this is a fraction, and they are dividing each other, what do? You change the division sign to what? Multiplication, and immediately you do that, the fraction after it will be inverted. We are going to have 2 all over 3 times, immediately you change it to times, this fraction will be inverted. 3 will go up, while 4 will come down. I'm going to have 3 all over 4. When you have something like this, what do? You use the numerator to multiply the numerator, and the denominator to multiply the denominator. You are going to have 2 times 3 all over 3 times 4. This 3 will cancel out this 3. 2 here 1, 2 here will give us what? 2. The final answer will be equal to 1 all over what? 2. That's all about these 2 questions. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. We are on YouTube. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Voila. Please, and also follow us on Facebook. We are also on TikTok. I will drop the link on my status so that you'll be able to follow up. And please don't forget to like and share our videos. Thank you very much. I remain to ICC. God bless you.